Okay, so we're going to solve the following example using separation of variables. So e to the y plus 1 times e to the minus y dy. Sorry, this is dx plus e to the x plus 1 to the 5 e to the minus x dy equals to 0. Okay, so doing separation of variables, we can do the following. We can leave x with x and y with y. So you move it to the other side, so you could write this like equals to minus, right? And then move these guys down and the other guys to the other side. So 1 over e to the x plus 1 to the 5 e to the minus x dx minus e to the y plus 1 then e to the minus y. Okay, yeah, and then we integrate, right? Integrate both parts. Oh, let me erase this. Okay, so now we can put this one at the top. So integral e to the x over e to the x plus 1 to the 5 to the 5th dx, and then minus e to the y over e to the y plus 1 dy, right? And then this one, that one doesn't have a power, right? So we do, let's say we do u equals e to the x plus 1 by substitution. We're going to solve this integral by substitution. So on this side, then the u equals e to the x dx, right? Remember? So this integral is going to change, like integral of e to the x dx is du, right? So du on 1 over e to the x plus 1 to the 5th. So instead of, I should write what? What should I write? U to the 5, okay? Equals minus, and then here we do the same, right? So let's call it ub. So this is e to the y plus 1. So dv is e to the y dy. So we got b, and then e to the y dy, that is this one, is just db, right? So this is just db. Okay, so looks like I have more stuff. Oh, sorry, it's a mixture of. And you notice I wrote already there. So let's start with this one. This is minus, what is the antiderivative of this one? ln of absolute value of b, right? And then let's put the plus c. And then here this will be 1 over u to the 5. So u to the 5, I can write it like u to the minus 5. What is the antiderivative of that? U to the negative 4 over negative 4. So now probably I wanna multiply everything times minus 4. Probably. It's a choice. Maybe you don't have to. But probably is, we can just go back to u. So u is e to the x plus 1, right? So we put it like this. Minus 1, 4, let's leave it like that. and then 1 over e to the x plus 1 to the 4, right? Equals minus ln of absolute value of b, and b was e to the y plus 1, right? And then this one, so look at this point. So ln of absolute value of e to the y plus 1, right? But e to the y is always positive. Plus 1, both are positive. So these guys just can disappear and make parentheses. Okay. So what is important here is kind of pushing you to make mistakes. So you cannot go ln of ey and kill the ln with the e. Okay, you cannot do that. Okay, so there is nothing you can do. You like to solve by y. I mean, you could do stuff. You could take exponential both sides, but it's not gonna look any prettier. So you can just leave it like that. So this is an implicit solution. Okay. Okay. So that's the solution for that one.